Shalom Aleichem, my Assyrian Dishes friends. I'm Julian, and it's our second year anniversary of launching Assyrian Dishes. From my husband Fadi and I, we would like to thank you for all your support, likes and comments. We now have over 100 video recipes, over 450,000 views on YouTube, over 5,000 subscribers on YouTube, nearly 9,000 followers on Facebook, and over 3,500 followers on Instagram. Watch out for more special guests on Assyrian Dishes, more new recipes, and more new projects coming up. Have a look at all our best highlights of Assyrian Dishes in the past 2 years. Happy cooking, everyone! Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and I'm not in the kitchen today. Tikan Iskala, I'm in Athens, Greece. And I'm in Niagara Falls today. G'day mate, I'm in Sydney, Australia. Idio Italy special guest, Go Kitchen D, the famous Assyrian singing legend, Linda George. Today I'm with my sister-in-law Mina in her restaurant in Athens, Greece. Yasu, Mina, Tikanis.
Καλησπέρα, Julian.
And today I'm in the kitchen with my sister Joanne.
Hi.
Hi Joanne. I'm in Calgary, Canada today, where my mother-in-law and sister-in-law will be showing me how to make kubit moser. And what will we be making today?
We're making gluten-free tapula with quinoa.
What shall we be making today?
Θα φτιάξουμε σήμερα καλαμάκι χοιρινά, καλαμάκι κοτόπουλο.
Which is chicken souvlaki and pork souvlaki. Let's start cooking.
Oh, do I have anything in my teeth?
Joanne, I think I've got something to